Hi everybody, wanted to unbox for you the Daywear Estee Lauder free gift. I've unpacked everything except the gift. I thought that would be fun for us to check this out together and see what it looks like, what all the goodies are inside. Here is the bag. Nice little cloth with a little pretty gold clasp on it. All right, let's see what goodies are inside. All right, we have comes in a sealed bag. Go ahead and open that up. There is a little leaflet that talks about all the little goodies so that you have steps that you can follow. All right, let's see. Here is the Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Foam Cleanser. Let's look at the front and the back. See if I can, this is 1 flowing ounce, so would be perfect for travel. We also have Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus. I've used this before and it feels so silky soft on your skin. This is, let's see, how big is this jar? .5 ounces. Again, would be great to travel with. Here is the Night Repair Eye Cream. Okay. Oops. There's more. Here is your Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. 0.23 ounces. So these are nice and small. Perfect to throw in your purse or if you're traveling. And then last but not least, it comes with a lipstick. And let's see what this color is called. Trying to read that. Looks like Bold Dreams. All right. Let's see. Ooh, it's a beautiful fall color. Very nice. Put a little swatch on there for you. Very nice. I would think that color would complement a lot of different skin tones. So anyway, just wanted to give you a view into what you get with that free gift. Hope that was helpful. If you like that, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.